Good doctor, good day. Good day, Mrs. Ifoma. How can I help you? I hope you're not having any symptom of corona. Doctor, I'm not having corona. I'm not having any symptom. Doctor, I'm having something worse. Mrs. Ifoma, in this type of case, what could be worse than corona right now? Doctor, my husband, he will not leave the house now. Doctor is always in the house. And you know now, when my husband is in the house, so I will not get any rest. Doctor will just pounding and pounding and pounding. Doctor, I'm tired. I'm tired now. This is a former. That is not a real issue. I'm sure you can manage. Is it that you're afraid of having children? Forbid, doctor. You will not mention Pekin. Me, Pekin. Doctor, you will not mention Pekin. No. I will not have any more Pekin. No. Doctor, you are very wrong to say that. Oh. You are very wrong. Hey, doctor, in fact, I will sleep in this hospital. I will stay here. I will stay here. But you cannot stay here. It's wrong. You know you have to go back to your husband. If I go home to my husband, he's going to kill me. By the time this corona is finished, me, I have no use left. He will finish me, doctor. He will finish me. This is a former. Both of you has been together for years. You have been together for years. I'm sure it's something that you must use to. I'm sure it's something that you must can manage. But I can't sleep. I can't sleep in the night. Hey, he wants some. I cannot sleep in the day. I cannot do any work, doctor. He wants some. Hey, we have been married for so long, doctor. He cannot get used to this niceness, He cannot get used to this. But doctor, I am suffering the consequences now. Hey, my husband won't stop. He won't stop with me, Doctor, he won't stop with me. I'm tired. I'm sorry to say, Mrs. Ifoma, but you have to go home to your husband. You know how it goes. You cannot stay in this hospital. Besides, there are a lot of corona patients. You have to go home to your husband. Okay. You see, I must go to my husband. You see, I must go to my husband. Doctor, if I die, if I go get Pekin, doctor, it is on your shoulder. It is on your shoulder.